Completed in 1906, the McFaddin-Ward House has more than 24 rooms spread over 3 floors. The second floor of the McFaddin-Ward House was a private area reserved for family bedrooms and overnight guests. The grandest sleeping area on the floor is the primary bedroom, a beautifully decorated, spacious 460 square foot room. As with most of the bedrooms on the second floor, the primary bedroom was designed with comfort in mind. It has a large walk-in closet with built-in storage space, a full-size bathroom, and marble-faced gas fireplace. In the 1950s, the bathroom was remodeled with pink tile and new fixtures. The room contains examples of technological innovations that existed when the house was constructed in 1906, including a call button designed to communicate with the staff through an annunciator box in the kitchen and an interphone that connected lines throughout the property. You can still see the original vents in the coved ceiling from when the family updated a few rooms in 1952 to a more central air system. The primary bedroom has been restored to its appearance from 1935 to 1950. Schedule an admission-free tour of the historic McFaddin-Ward House Museum to see the fabulous features of the primary bedroom in person. Call 409-832-2134 for more info.